Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Update of 1000 Days Challenge. This is day 996, so let's get things on 997, so let's get things started. All right, so first and foremost, on the weekly chart itself, we do see overall we did have a great bearish candlestick for Bitcoin itself. So definitely, in addition to it being a bearish engulfing candlestick, but bear in mind, we don't see in terms of a spike of volume. I can see very clearly over there that it's just barely in terms of 20 day simple moving average in terms of the volume wide, so nothing to be too spectacular about. But otherwise, tentatively, we do see short term in terms of pullback wise, if you're looking in terms of daily or in terms of 4-hour chart, definitely on this coming week itself, personally, I do think that potential turn downside is more likely. And we'll look for potential short side trade. I'll zoom in on the shorter time frame over here. We've already crossed over here. If you want to enter a short side trade, then I want this to form a bearish market structure, which will have a low, higher low and a lower low. So we want this to have a bullish market structure, a break below that, form a bearish market structure in terms of that. And if you want an early entry in terms of that, you could obviously look in terms of shorter time frame wise. On a 4-hour chart, I could zoom in even as short as the 15 minutes or 10-minute time frame. But then if you do see 10-minute and 15-minute time frame a little bit choppy, then it may not be the best potential sign entry as well. So overall over here, you can see very clear choppy kind of price action. Definitely losing in terms of signs of bearish kind of momentum, especially on the 10 and 15-minute chart. On the 1-hour chart, we are still very clearly in the bearish downside of things. So overall, what I do want to see is now we see a high, a lower high, and a low, a higher low in that sense. So you want it to break below that, and then the trigger sign over here on the MACD price, and that will perhaps give me a very good decent risk reward setup where I can enter a short setup over here, potentially we close over there, and then especially on the shorter time frame wise, that will give me a very good risk reward setup, or tight risk reward setup, and then target will be here. Even if we do manage to enter a little bit lower, that's okay, because the target, if you ask, I do think that conservatively we will hit this 25 above this 25.5k region itself. So giving a little bit of leeway itself, targeting here will still give you a very decent risk to set out 1:2.2 or to give you a little bit of a slippage in terms of that. But otherwise, this will be a good potential setup in terms of 1-hour chart. I'm just waiting for how these things plays out. And also for MACD cross on the 1-hour chart itself, and they will give me a good entry point. So yeah, so in this case, I can actually put over here and a little here. Want it to actually cross down on the MACD once per bar, 1-hour chart. So this will be the 1H crossover entry short setup. All right. So let's just wait for that to happen. We want that to happen along with a bearish market structure, and this will give a very clear and good risk reward setup. And then you could perhaps zoom in a shorter time frame to tighten up in terms of your stop loss wise. And with that said, I've come to the end of the day. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop your comments below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.